Hey guys, welcome back to the Rules of Acquisition. Today we are going to talk about Rule 214. This is really important for you, especially if you go out and meet people. Never begin a business negotiation on an empty stomach. And here's why. If you're talking on an empty stomach and you're feeling hungry, you're going to be distracted. You're not going to be focused entirely on the business negotiation. You need to prepare. You need to make sure that you've had something to eat. It's really important. Even if you're going out for a business meal with somebody and you're going to discuss over dinner what you're going to do for somebody, it's really good to have something like a protein bar beforehand, because then you're not thinking about the meal. You're thinking purely about business. And this is absolutely vital. You do not want hunger to distract you. You do not want that, because I've had it distract me and it has not gone well for me because I've not been able to put myself forward at the best level. And this applies to just about everything. It's like if you're going in for a new job, yeah, you don't want to be thinking about hunger when you're supposed to be thinking about the company. It is going to be a distraction. If you are interviewing someone for a job, you do not want hunger to distract you. It's always good, whenever you're dealing with any aspect of business, to at least have something to eat so that it tides you over through that meeting, because otherwise the distraction could be fatal for you. So I hope this has been helpful. On to the next one.